What, son?
Now I'm going on my slide. This is Benaya's slide, and that's the stair. And there's a slide over there. And that's my stair slide right there. But first I was going down my slide with my new green tube. And I have a snowman, one in the garage, so I'll just go now. Hello. Bye-bye.
All right, take us on a tour of your snow area.
So, as you see right here, there's a slide coming down, and this space where you come down. There's a couch that's rather snowy. A walkway up to a snow hill, and you can sled down on it, and it takes you all the way down to here. As you see, a broken chair, and the new sport that has cupboards and doors and seats and everything. Now this might be very kind of weird.
Well, show us. Let's go.
If you squeeze through here, it will lead you to the best fort in the world. As you see, there's a couch right here and an entrance right there. If you go through this tunnel,
Why don't you go through and show us?
if you go through this tunnel right there, Dad, where are you? Oh, you can come out this way, and you can crawl through here. And then, as you see, there's a snowy chair, and a snowy broken chair right there.
Okay, what else do you have built? This is a lot of digging. Did you do this all?
No, my dad helped.
And your mom does the routine maintenance?
As you see, you go up these steps, there's a little sitting area here, and you go down into here, a little fort area here, you go up into here, there's a teeny weeny space that you can sit down. That's usually for my brother. And as you see, if you come up here, and scooch through these here, you can jump off right here and go down over here.
Christy.
Lead you into a dead end right here where you can see if anyone is in the fort. As you see, you can come back. I'm going to take the sled down this one. Go that way to get down or jump off. As you see, I will show you how to jump off. Ready, once I fell down, I will try again. As you see, 1, 2, whee!
And this is what Grandma B and Mr. B are missing.
The love of the Tonkins.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.